Students, I welcome you all on Rishikul Online School, the best platform for providing online education to students. So, again, I welcome you. Students, this is module number 1, and in this module, we are discussing about the chapter The Happy Prince that has been written by Oscar Wilde, and this chapter has been taken from your book Moment. So let's go to next slide and see. Students, in this slide we shall discuss about the theme of the chapter. The story is an allegory. It is based on the theme that love and sacrifice are important values in human life, and happiness comes to those who make others happy. Those who have compassion and concern get as much joy as those who receive their kindness and charity. Hence, one must try to live a life guided by the virtues of love, sacrifice, benevolence, and joy. So, in the next slide, we shall discuss about the message of the story. So, let's go to next slide and see. Students, in this slide, we are discussing about the message of the chapter. So, let's come and discuss. The Happy Prince gives many important messages. The first message is that we must spread happiness around us if we wish to be happy. It is useless to mount statues with gold and jewels when the people are hungry. The prince could be happy only as long as sorrow was not allowed to enter his palace. Once he saw pain, suffering, and injustice, even his lad heart cried. The next message is that the disparity and sorrow in society can be overcome by compassion, generosity, and sharing. The generous prince and the gentle swallow sacrificed themselves to bring happiness to the poor and the needy. However, their deaths didn't end their lives. The redemptive power of love made them live forever as the precious and chosen ones of God. In the next slide, we shall discuss about the characters. So let's go to the next slide and see. Students, in this slide, we shall discuss about the various characters of the story. The first character is the swallow. So let's discuss about the swallow. The swallow is kind-hearted and polite. On discovering that the statue was not made of solid gold, he didn't make any personal remark. He had to leave for Egypt to be with his friends but stayed back when the prince insisted. He also helped the prince in distributing precious jewels and gold among the poor and needy of the city. He also had a compassionate heart. He refused to pluck out the sapphires, for they were the prince's eyes. And when the prince's eyes had been given away as charity, the swallow decided to stay on with the prince. Even when the prince urged him to leave, he didn't. He braved the cold and hunger till his last breath and sacrificed his life for the well-being of humanity. So in the next slide, we shall discuss the other character. So let's go to next slide and see. Students, in this slide, we shall discuss another important character of the story, the Happy Prince. So let's discuss. The Happy Prince was a statue of a prince who used to be known as Happy Prince when he was alive. He had been decorated with thin gold leaves all over his body and had sapphires as its eyes. A red ruby shone on his sword hilt. The Happy Prince became sad after his death because he could see the sorrow of the city from the place where his statue had been mounted. He was fastened to his pedestal, which made him immobile. Feeling helpless, he wept and wished to help those in need. He humbly pleaded with the swallow to be his messenger. He had pity in his heart and he was generous as he gave away every bit of wealth that he had. He truly loved the swallow and couldn't bear to be separated from it. When the bird died, the leaden heart of the prince broke into two. So, students, In the next module, we shall discuss about the story. So wait for the next module. Keep watching the module. Thank you.